my channel. It's your girl Slay LT, and I am back with another video. And always, if you guys haven't already subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Turn your notification bell on so you are aware when I do post new videos. Like the video, share the video with your friends, comment if you would love to see me purchase something from a website. Go ahead and shoot me an email at the email address below, and I would definitely find something on that site to do a review on. Y'all, today I have a very short haul from Temu. Our orange gobbler. They didn't get that much of my money this time. This is actually just one item. Thumbnail. This is actually just one item. I honestly have forgotten I even purchased this. They brought it from the door. I was like, where did that come from? And he was like, it was at the door. I was like, okay. Then I remembered that I actually did purchase these right before I started ordering my little stuff for the holidays. I think I spoke about it in the video as well. Y'all, these jeans, I saw these jeans and I was like, you know what? I absolutely have to have them. Let's take them out, check them out. These are like the way wide leg jeans, and they're kind of ripped up at the top, at the bottom, and at the top. One thing that I'm automatically noticing is there is no stretch in this jeans at all. These are called Jessica jeans. I hope you guys can see that. And it's a 2XL. I'm pretty sure I can fit this. I just didn't realize how big they were and how ripped they were at the bottom. I don't know if you guys can see that, but these are actually super cute. I like these. I'm just trying to see how it looks on my leg. Shouldn't have any problems fitting these. These are huge jeans, so I'm gonna definitely try these on. I do, I don't know if I spoke about it in another video. I do have the unboxing. I cannot get this out of my hair. What is this? It's like a, something white in there. Is it out? I have the unboxing video that I'm going to do, for the Ninja that I purchased. Now it's like really bothering me. So I'm probably going to come back in another video and do that one as well. And what else? I'm sorry, y'all, my lips are dry right now. I think I told you all about the nail kit, the nail set that I bought. This, I ordered some building gel with them that came, and I had to order, I have like 3 or 4 nail drills, but I ordered a new one because one of the nail drills that I like, the one that I use all the time, that one actually broke on me. I do have a few other ones, but the other ones that I have, I don't like the way that it kind of, I feel like it's tearing into my nail bed. I know that sounds strange, but that's pretty much how it feels when I use it. Hold on 1 second, guys. Yeah, that's pretty much how it feels when I use it. I feel like literally I'm drilling into my nail bed. And I know some people think it's the drill bit itself, which it could as well be. I actually tried to use another drill bit from another one that I have, and for some reason when I was filing my nail down, the drill was like wobbling. That tells me that it doesn't fit that particular one. So I was just like, you know what, probably just need to purchase one. The one that I purchased was only like $17. It wasn't that expensive, so I was like, you know, I can dish out $16, $17, no problem. I'm so excited. I don't know if you guys watched any of my other videos, but my eBay account, I got that up and running, and it's been doing pretty good. I've been making some sales. Excited about that. I'm gonna go ahead and post, get my Etsy shop back up, and of course, you know, my regular websites that I have. So I have some new exciting things coming in 2024. I hope you guys are looking forward to it. I literally said I was only going to come on here for like 5 minutes, been over 5, just to share you guys that small haul, very, very small haul. Today I'm just chilling, relaxing. Be honest with you, I haven't really been outside. Y'all are gonna laugh. I haven't really been outside in like 2 weeks. Crazy, right? Like I've been outside. Like my son came to visit me. I think it was on Christmas Eve, if I'm not mistaken. He came to visit me, and I was outside talking to him for a while. But other than that, I've been in the house. Like literally, I told Bay today I was gonna probably go to the gym, but I probably won't again. Go to the gym again today. Tomorrow I am off. I do have a few things that I have to take care of. Why? That is so dark. That's too light. I do have a few things that I need to take care of at the house, but I might take, I might go to the gym tomorrow. Um, yeah, I definitely need to go to the gym and get some workouts done. I did start I started doing step aerobics at home. I think I did it like once or twice. I don't know why I said I started, but I did it once or twice. And y'all, when I tell y'all, I was so freaking tired. Like, I felt like it took me an hour to do a 15-minute step aerobic DVD. Well, not DVD, but workout. So I'm like, I cannot believe I'm this out of shape. It's crazy. But listen, when I tell you your girl's been at home and like really not doing much of anything but working, doing my business stuff and working from home for these past couple of weeks, that's what I've been doing. Um, y'all got to excuse my hair. I am actually getting back into like really taking care of my hair. So I had put some castor oil in it and parted it in 4 big plaits under his. I was like, you know what? I'm just going to leave this in probably for maybe a day or so and then wash it out because I wanted to saturate into my scalp. I have to get back into doing my oil treatments at least twice a week. So that's where I'm at with that. That's pretty much been it so far this week. I hope you guys had a wonderful holiday. My holiday was really relaxing. As you guys know, for like Christmas shopping, the only thing I did was I gave my little one some money. I still have a few more cash apps and stuff I have to send out, but I didn't do too much of any shopping this year. Next year, I think I'm actually gonna do better because it felt weird. I did put my Christmas tree up, and I was gonna show it, but I was like, you know what? I didn't really dress it up like I wanted to. I did end up getting a pink tree, which is super cute. It's super cute, but it's not full. Um, Next year, I plan on getting a bigger tree and, really decorating it and all the good stuff. But y'all, I'm so excited about 2024. I can't even begin to tell y'all. I know people are like, oh my gosh, it's new year, new me. That's not where I'm at, though. I just feel like everything that I didn't accomplish in 2023 is carrying over to 2024. And I really, really want to go forth and do the things that I promised myself that I was going to do, the goals that I set, things that I had for my vision, things that I wanted to bring into fruition. Still working on it regardless of whether it's 2024 or not. But I feel like it's a new year to refresh, just relax, get that new, what's the word I'm looking at? The new reboot out. I'm just looking forward to having like a rebirth almost in a sense. Getting back to things that really matter to me and taking care of my business and doing what I need to do for myself. But other than that, y'all, I don't have much else. I hope you guys enjoyed your holiday. I will be doing another haul probably this week. I'm going to you know what? No. So the second week in the new year will probably be my next haul. My lips drive me crazy, y'all. That's gonna be my new haul for the new year. I do have a few things that I need to take care of. And I think what I'm gonna do is I'm actually thinking about purchasing another vehicle, which is gonna be amazing, because that way I'll be able to take you guys out when I go shopping, just window shopping. I do want to get back into going like to thrift stores and, you know, finding a lot of nice things in thrift stores. And I want to actually get to the point where I'm putting it on my eBay account, like refurbishing clothes. There are a lot of thrift shops here that have very expensive clothing, especially up north in like the Alpharetta area, Marietta area. There was this one thrift shop that I went to a couple of times. They have like a lot of branded items. Some of them, most of them had tags on them, like it had never been worn. So I'm gonna start like purchasing items like that and just putting them on my eBay and seeing how it sells. I do see a lot of items on eBay like that, and people are really, really buying them. So it's just another stream of income, something that I've always been interested in doing it. I had actually started at one point some old clothes that I had. What I would do is like cut the sleeves off and like remake them into different shirts and jeans, like color the jeans, and if they were faded, like re-dye them so that I brought them back to life in a sense. But I'm gonna start doing little things like that. Again, so looking forward to that. Just to have some ideas for some jeans that I wanted to do and actually put on my eBay account and probably on my website as well. So one of my websites. So look forward to all those things coming in 2024. My writing, definitely getting back into writing, working on my body, getting my body back to where it needs to be, weight loss journey. Of course, I'm getting married next year, so that's a lot by itself. I'm kind of having different ideas now. We definitely say we want to get married on the beach, but as far as the wedding reception, I don't know. I'm still trying to decide about that. Or we might just have the wedding in one area. We're still trying to decide. Definitely have to decide by the end of February, beginning of March, because time goes by like that. So, yeah, but that's pretty much it for this video. If you guys haven't already, like I said, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Turn your notification bell on so you're aware when I do post a video. Like the video, thumbs up. Share the video with your friends. Please subscribe. Yeah, and I'm gonna continue to upload these videos to the end of the year. Some of these videos might spill over into the new year, so you might see some things from last year still being uploaded. I'm trying to get the more up-to-date ones loaded before the end of the year. I only have like 3 or 4 more days, so try to get those uploaded as quickly as possible. I will see you guys in the next one. Y'all have an awesome day. If I don't come back, I'll probably come back tomorrow or Friday, do like a story time. Matter of fact, I am coming back because I do need to do an unboxing of the ninja, so you guys will see that. So I will see you guys in the next one. Y'all remember to always remember to be awesome and do awesome things, and I will see you guys in the next one. Let's grow. Have a good one. Bye.